ITP is Information Technology and Programming. We're a State of Ohio registered IT pre-apprenticeship. We do computer programming, we do computer hardware and software, we'll do networking, and then we'll do responsive web design. Along with that, we include the 10-hour OSHA training. We'll also do work within the Skills USA framework and developing workplace skills, personal skills, as well as our technical skills, which are supported by rigorous academics.
I think my favorite part of this class has been the connections I was able to gain through it, especially focusing on the internship aspect. The fact that it's been able to connect me to a couple of different places that have given me internship opportunities and actually got me an internship last year has been very massive.
Skills USA is a career technical student organization. It's the largest in the world. For the last 2 years, we have been the state champions in Ohio, leading all of Ohio at the state competition in medals.
In the beginning, I originally wanted to do game development, but then I decided, thinking about it, there's another field I wanted to get into, which is cybersecurity, of which I am doing right now. Well, this class has definitely helped start that passion towards it.
Our students have the opportunity to learn high-level skills. We're learning skills at a collegiate and IT industry standard. All right, these aren't high school classes. We're at the next level now.